Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp web on iPhone. So as you can see, WhatsApp web can only be accessed on your computer from the browser, so you cannot use it from your phone. So to access your WhatsApp web on your laptop, first of all open WhatsApp in your phone and then click on linked devices. Here click on link a device. Now open WhatsApp web on your laptop browser. A QR code will appear on the screen and use your iPhone to scan the QR code. After a few seconds, your chat will appear on your screen. Now you can now send messages, photos, documents and voice notes directly from your laptop. Your phone does not need to stay unlocked, but it should remain connected to the internet. And that's it. That's how to use WhatsApp web on iPhone. And if this video helped you, follow us for more tips and tutorials.